And since the rightful heir is presumed departed, his legal claims terminate at 12 noon today, or in exactly 7 minutes. Who was it, Chutney? Who are you?
Does that ring a bell?
Cadwallader. Description fits the appearance of the long-missing Cadwallader. I suggest you remain here until I establish this legally. Loyal Chutney and devoted Griswald will care for you. No mistake, sir. An officer just brought in Chutney, who confessed that he tried to do away with Cadwallader 3 years ago. Indeed we have. Show him, Cadwallader. There is the proof. A birthmark on the sole of his foot.